Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. It's how we earn our great reviews, and how we'll earn yours too. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.